In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have an email encryption add-in installed so you can protect sensitive messages before you send them. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. We're using Outlook on the web because it gives you quick access to the add-in store. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your Microsoft account as you normally would. Once you're on the homepage, select Mail to enter your inbox. Next, open a new message. Click New Mail to bring up the Compose window. We're doing this because the add-ins you install typically appear in the Compose toolbar, so it's the easiest place to access and manage them. Look toward the top right of the Compose window for the app's icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a small grid or an add-ins button. Click it to open your add-ins options. From there, choose Get Add-ins. This opens the add-ins for Outlook Store, where you can search and install tools that enhance your email workflow. In the search bar, type email encryption. You'll see a list of results designed to help protect your messages. Find the listing named Visible IR Email Encryption. Click it to open the details page and quickly skim the description to confirm it's an email protection tool that meets your needs. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook may ask you to grant permissions, and in some work or school environments, an administrator might need to approve it before it becomes available. Once it's added, you should see the encryption add-in accessible from your Compose window. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Sometimes add-ins take a short time to sync. With the add-in installed, you're set up to protect your outgoing messages. When you compose an email, look for the add-ins button or option to apply encryption or password protection. Recipients may be asked to verify their identity or enter a passcode to read your message. As a best practice, share any passcode through a different channel than email, such as a separate chat, and avoid including it in the same message you are protecting. A quick recap: you went to outlook.live.com, opened Mail, started a new message, opened the Apps menu, selected Get Add-ins, searched for email encryption, chose Visible IR Email Encryption, and clicked Add. That's all you need to set up password protection for your Outlook emails.